When I first started gardening, one of the things that I really enjoyed doing was propagation. And one of the easiest ways to propagate is through division. Certain plants have their vegetative growth through spreading of rhizomes or stolons or bulbs. When you have a plant that spreads like that, a really cool way you can propagate it is through a technique called division. You're basically just dividing the plant into sections. But this is a yarrow. Yarrow is pretty tough, hardy plant, so you could be pretty rough with it. It does get a little smoother than that, so I'm gonna rip it by hand. But this little piece right here will eventually grow and become its own plant. So you can take this, put it in another little pot, and it will reproduce and grow into another full-size plant like this. If you want to make it a little easier, there's a really cool tool called a hori tool, which has a nice little serrated blade. You can basically cut these through. And so now I had that one plant that turned into multiple sections. And you can kind of see the little rhizomes right here. That little purple growth will spread right here and then turn into this little branch structure. Even as small as a piece like this. If you have a nice little home potting bench, take this into a 4-inch pot, give it a few months, and this will be a fantastic little starter plant in your garden. This is a blue-eyed grass. I'll kind of push away some of the branches, and I'll look for an area where it looks like it's splitting on its own. And so I'm gonna kind of put my thumbs in there, and we're literally just gonna, boom. And now you got 2 plants. You could probably do it again. So it went from having 1 plant to now 3 plants. October to February, March is ideal time to divide plants.